Guys, Brian back here with another Kaspa update. Want to get a video out here today. Believe this thing could possibly be making a move here within the next day or so. Looks like it's turning around here. You can see this. We had this upward momentum here. Had this pullback, but looks like it's steadying out now and gained ground. Almost came down to the 786 on a Fibonacci retracement here, right? Usually the 618 to the 786 is where you're going to get your bounce from. So if you're doing any kind of trading or anything like that, this is a really nice tool to have, especially if a coin is if you're looking for a pullback area. These things work really nice. So let's move on here. I want to show you guys, let me pull these RSIs up here. I want to show you guys something on the MACD. All right, on the daily, you can see down here, way down at the bottom, there's the MACD, that green and yellow line. You can see the MACD flashed a buy signal on this thing. When was that? Friday, May 26th. Okay, it flashed a buy signal, which up here, you'd be looking, I think it's this candle. Oops, I apologize. One after that. There we go. This candle right here, it flashed a buy signal, the MACD. So we had that bullish crossover. Usually if you're going to buy in a coin, you want that thing below zero. You want the buy signal and that crossover there. So that would be, technically that would be a perfect entry. So we'll see what happens here with that thing. But it has popped a buy signal on that MACD. Let's get that off there because I want the regular RSIs on here. Oh, actually, I did want to show you one more thing with that. I apologize. Let me pull that back up here real quick because I wanted to show you the Bitcoin chart with that thing on real quick. Bitcoin on the monthly, okay, which this has only happened. Let's move this over to the monthly. I was checking this out earlier. This has only given 3 buy signals before, the whole time since this MACD, this one here has started. Okay, you had a buy signal back in what was that, May of 2019, and that was the retrace of the bull run here. Okay, right down here. And you had another buy signal on, let's see here, July of 2020. All right, which obviously you can see what happened after that one. That one there was definitely, that nailed that. That was the bull run here. And now it's flipped another one over here. It flipped it May. Okay, it had another buy signal. It's only the 3rd time it's had a buy signal. So like I did a video yesterday on Bitcoin, well, on ETH actually. I did Bitcoin the day before. I believe this thing is coming in for a retracement. All right, back here you had a top on the RSI, the stochastic was at the top, and you had your 2017 bull run. The next time on the monthly, the stochastic came to the top, you had your 2017 retrace. Okay, that's where we had a retrace there. I always talk about these retraces. You can see it came right up to that 618702 area and then rolled over. But anyway, let's get back to this RSI so I can make my point here. You can see the next time on the monthly, the stochastic hit the top was our 2021 bull run right here. Okay, and now it's almost at the top again. So we had bull run, retracement, bull run, should be retracement if it continues this pattern. So I expect Bitcoin to pull that retracement in here at some point. So it would put it, just to get back to a 618 for Bitcoin. Let's see, that would put it, if we, and usually it, this thing is awesome. I love the fib tool. If I had to use any one tool, this would be it. You're looking at a $42,000 Bitcoin to a $47,000 Bitcoin. The 618 to the 702 retracement on this thing. So we'll definitely be watching for a retracement here. But let's get back to Kaspa here, okay? We had that daily signal there on the MACD, the buy signal on this thing. Let's get back to the 12-hour. All right, so we had the perfect pullback here, pretty much. We had that. We bounced right close to that 786 Fibonacci. So we've gotten a bounce off that. We got that buy signal. Now we obviously need to get out of this wedge, this falling wedge that's forming. Let's bring the screen a little bit bigger so you guys can, if you have not seen this thing, there it is. Super. It started back the beginning of April. So the longer you are in a pattern, the stronger normally the break out of this thing. Nothing's guaranteed. I'm not saying 1,000% this thing is going to break out of there. I don't give financial advice, not a financial advisor, but most of the time these falling wedges break to the upside. You have a lot better chance of them breaking up statistically than them breaking down. So this thing is looking pretty strong to me. All right, if we go over this, I want to get that MACD off there so I have some more room here. You can see that daily stochastic is starting to spin back up there. Okay, you can see the momentum coming back up. It's now at a 60 and a 63. Let me get that alarm off there. Always have alarms set for this because always like jumping right on as soon as something goes off. Now the 12-hour, okay, that thing it has flipped bearish, a 36 and a 38, but we get that daily, in the 8 hours at a 46 and a 49. The 4-hour, okay, is at the top. It's bearish, a 77 and an 86. But let me tell you how fast these things can change. Watch for that. We got. You see here. I totally believe that this is the area right through here that we really need to break. Right there. Okay, that 0.017. I believe we break that, this thing is on its way. So back to the 1 hour, probably, where's that at? Probably at the top. That thing goes up and down all day long. No, it's at the bottom and reset. So obviously I'm keeping an eye on this daily. Bitcoin's getting a little bit of a bounce today, so that's helping the market quite a bit. I will keep my eyes on this thing over the weekend, guys, and we have any sort of breakout at all, I will be on it. But that MACD flashing the buy signal, and we've hit our pullback perfectly. So I'll be back with you guys soon. I hope you have a nice weekend if I do not talk to you over the weekend. But like I said, we have some price action or breakout. I will be back. Thank you so much. Please hit the like and subscribe, guys.